Brent. Bobby. What are we making today?
We're going to make eggplant parm.
Oh,
We're going to make eggplant parm.
I don't know where this is going.
Now you know.
All right, Brent. So that was crazy.
That was fun.
I had a lot of fun with that.
I had so much fun with that, but you know what's gonna be even more fun, Bobby?
What?
Making this eggplant parm for the folks at home. And you know what we're doing? You're scaring me with that. You know what else we're doing though with the eggplant parm?
What?
Is we're using our air fryer again today.
Oh my God, the Magic Chef?
The Magic Chef air fryer.
Brent.
Yes.
That's crazy. So here's what you're gonna need to make this meal. Look at that, that's not too bad.
That is not too bad
Just
at
got some
all.
eggplants there, some cheese.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna be making this eggplant, and I'm really excited. Did you know, Brent?
It makes me nervous when you shake it at me like that, but.
Did you know?
Yeah.
Eggplants help improve digestion.
Yes.
They aid in managing your weight.
Ooh.
Which, you know. And it improves your bone health and prevents osteoporosis.
I need that because I'm old.
Yeah, Brent. I know. You're such an old 30-year-old dude.
I'm an oldsman.
God, Brent.
I'm a Gary Oldsman.
You know, when I'm 30, you better not call me old.
I'll call you maybe.
All right. So here is what you're gonna need to do to prepare your eggplant for this.
I think what Bobby's trying to say is that these are the things you're gonna have to do to prep your eggplant to make this eggplant parm.
To prepare your eggplant, first peel and cut your eggplant into small slices. Then create your breading. We used cornflakes, but you can also use breadcrumbs. Then add vegan Parmesan cheese and spices. Prepare your egg substitute. Now, coat your eggplant in the egg substitute. Then, fill a bag with your breading. Now, put your coated eggplant in the bag with the breading to coat your eggplant.
Our eggplant is all prepped, ready to go in the fryer.
Oh.
So we're just gonna go.
That was a weird reaction.
That was a weird reaction. Oh. So we got it all ready to go here, nice and evenly spaced out. We got enough room there for the air to circulate, so it'll get nice and fried up. We're all coated, good to go. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw it in a fryer for about, I wanna say 12 minutes, probably pretty good. So 360, and then let's do 12 minutes.
All right. Going to fry from me,
All right, Bobby.
I want food. I want food. I just
Stomp. That's what stomp is, right? Oh yeah.
I'm really excited, Brent. This looks amazing.
It really does look pretty fantastic.
I
This
am
eggplant
the king
parm.
of eggplant parm, Brent.
Are you? Oh.
I make eggplant parm more than anything in the planet. I'm gonna be a hard grader on this.
Oh, yeah, you're a tough audience. I didn't know we had the eggplant parm king in the house.
I'm really curious to see how this will turn out.
All right, here we go. You are the eggplant king,
Yes.
so I want to hear your grade first.
Getting close. Closer. Closer. A little closer. I'm gonna go A.
Wow.
And you had to see my disgusting eggplant mouth.
For me,
what do you
the
think?
eggplant itself, I will agree. I'll go A. I was not as big on the sauce.
Yeah, the sauce-
This just is a store-bought sauce we used.
We could have made the sauce from last week.
Yeah, I was literally gonna say the sauce that we did from our zucchini spaghetti.
Yeah.
If we had done that,
That was really good sauce.
woo.
I think we gave the sauce an A+
Ooh.
last
Yes, we
week.
did. I think it would have been. This meal would have been like A++
Yeah.
had it had that sauce.
Let's talk about Magic Chef for a minute.
Yeah.
Because we haven't really reviewed the air fryer yet.
Yeah. Okay.
So we've done 2 episodes on the Magic Chef.
Yes.
This is our second one. And I have to say, I'm impressed.
Me too.
I
I think it's really cool. Yeah. So I think that's it, Bobby. I think we did it.
I just want to keep eating this.
Yeah. Okay. So what's up? Finish this up so we can. Thank you so much for watching this episode.
Of Bobby and Brent Cooking Vegan.
Yes, that's what the show's called. Like, subscribe, Patreon.
Oh, hopefully when we edit this episode, we don't cut ourselves